For the next 7 days, I'm going to try affiliate marketing but with no money, no audience, literally from scratch. If I'm not able to make any money with affiliate marketing, I will fail in this challenge. Let me just tell you quickly what is affiliate marketing who don't know about it. So it is the easiest business model where I'm going to sell other companies or other people's product, and when someone going to buy that product from my affiliate link, I will going to make commission out of that. Now I don't need to provide any delivery charges, or I don't need to ship the product, provide customer service. All of these things will be taken care of by the company. Now the question is what product I am going to promote. So I will promote high ticket products. What's the special thing about high ticket product? High ticket product are those products that pays you more than $500, $750, $1,000 commission on every single sale. That's why I love to promote high ticket product, because I only need to make 5 to 10 sales to make good amount of money. So the product I am going to promote, that is Freedom Accelerator by Jonathan Montoya. He is a 7-figure entrepreneur. He made 7-figure with affiliate marketing, and this is the course especially for the people who want to start affiliate marketing, who want to build a 6-figure affiliate marketing business. And I also took one of the course by Jonathan Montoya sometimes before, so I know his products are great, his courses are great. Also they provide live weekly classes in the program, and I know his products are great. Lot of people are making a good amount of money by promoting his product. Now the question is what I need to do to get the result. So I have seen on the YouTube and Instagram people or the big affiliates are making short form videos. So I am also going to create short form videos. So to know what kind of videos are getting more engagement, more views, likes, comment, I search on the Instagram, YouTube related to the affiliate marketing, because that's what my niche is. And also the product is about affiliate marketing. So I want to build audience related to affiliate marketing. So I will create videos related to affiliate marketing. So I search on the Instagram and YouTube, and because I knew that first 2-3 seconds of my shorts or reels, first 2-3 seconds are the most important part of my videos, because those 2-3 seconds will going to decide whether people will going to watch my video or not, whether they will stay on my video or they will just drop off. Because if I want good views on my video, so people should watch the video till the end. So what I did, I made the list of 30 viral videos and wrote down their hook and intro part, so that I can take inspiration from those videos and I can create my videos, because those ideas are already proven in the market, those ideas are already working. So that's why my videos, there will be a very high chance that my videos will also get good views. Let's talk about the another part of the business. I also need to create a lead magnet, a funnel, 2-step funnel that has opt-in page, a thank you page to build my email list. Now I will tell you why I am building my funnel and email list. But the best part is I don't need to spend time on creating one lead magnet and the funnel, because I have got everything set up with the Freedom Accelerator course. So that's why I always say to the people, whenever you are going to promote any product, always choose carefully. Most of the time, if you choose a great product, they provide you everything so that you can spend your time on marketing. So it just took me 30 minutes to set up the whole system. I just need to copy and paste the funnel and the emails, and my system was ready. Now I'll tell you why I'm doing this. I have seen most of the people not making any money because they made this mistake. They send traffic direct to the affiliate link. But here I will send people to a free course, to opt-in page where I will give them a free course to get their emails, to build my email list. So that because it's a high ticket product, people 99% people don't buy in this when they just see the product first time. So conversion rate will be very low, and I'm thinking for the long term, so that I can make money if I'm putting efforts here, so that I can make money not just one time, but I can make money many times, like after for the upcoming month also. So that's what's the vision I have. That's why I'm creating my email list, because I can, if I have an email list, I can send people again to the offer who did not buy the product. Maybe they have some questions in their mind, maybe they don't trust me yet because they have just seen me first time. So I can send them different emails. I can educate them about affiliate marketing. I can share the benefit of the product that I am promoting. I can share my story so that they start trusting me. Also, I can promote different multiple products. Let's say if this product doesn't suit my audience. Now I will tell you what I did with those 30 videos ideas. I took all the ideas and I created the script. I took the inspiration, I created the script, edited, recorded the video, edited the script, edited the video, and like it took me around 3 days to set up the system to creating 30 videos. Now I have 30 videos that I can post on different platforms, and I don't think I'll able to complete this challenge in just 7 days, but let's see was I able to make money or not. So I started posting those videos on different platforms, on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. So I was posting videos on the YouTube very first time. I Before that I was I think 1 year ago I posted few long form videos, but shorts I'm posting very first time. And on the Instagram also, for the last 7 to 8 months I have not posted anything, so there was no traffic on my Instagram profile also. And also Facebook I posted this first time. Now after seeing the result, after posting the videos, I literally was thinking I was not able to complete this challenge. I was not able to make me that I was thinking, because YouTube gave me hard time. I got 10, 20, 30 views. There was no views on my video. So on YouTube, videos did not perform well. Maybe because I need to give more time. It's just 9 days I have been posting the videos, or maybe my content is not good enough. But I was not. But I then on the Instagram, when I started posting on Instagram, Facebook, I was getting views, but that not much. So what I decided, I continued the challenge for because I have the video, so I kept posting. Now when after that YouTube, I did not get any result with the YouTube, but on Instagram, I got 100k views on Instagram, and there were 4 videos that performed so well. I got on 4 videos there was 25k, 35k around views, so I got 100k views on Instagram. But on Facebook I got 1 million views after posting. I think I have not even posted all the videos. I just posted around 15 videos on the Facebook, because on Facebook I started posting late. On the Facebook I got 1 million views. There were 7 to 8 videos that performed so well. 3 videos got 500k views, some got 200k. That how it went on the Facebook. Now let's talk about how much money I made. So I got two commission of $18. Because on the Facebook we can put the link in the comment section also, so I just put the link there. So 2% bought from the some low ticket offer from there. So around $36 that I made from there, but I want to, because after my reels started getting going viral, there was lot of traffic on my Facebook profile, people sending me messages, asking me questions about affiliate marketing. All of the things were happening, so I wanted to make more money, but I knew I'm not good at one-on-one selling. So what I did, I decided to do a workshop, the paid workshop. 11 people joined that workshop. That was a low ticket workshop, just $7. But at the end of the workshop, I was going to promote them a high ticket offer. And after talking to people, I realized maybe I was just assuming maybe these people would not buy high ticket products. So I decided to sell them a low ticket offer, my coaching program, my low ticket offer, just $300. And one person showed the interest in that. He messaged me on the Facebook, and after talking to him, I realized he was looking for more support, for more training. So I created new offer, and that offer was $1,500, and I closed that $1,500. And this was the first time I did my first high ticket sale. It was a big surprise for me to close a client for $1,500. So I was not able to make money with affiliate marketing in the 7 days, but I continued the challenge, and after 20 days I was able to make money with affiliate marketing, and I'm still going to continue the journey, and I will stay updated. Subscribe to the channel if you want to watch more of these videos, and if you want to know how I got 1 million views on Facebook Reels in detail, then click here and watch this video.